Find or read reviews that people are talking of ZZKHGo Vacuum Robot Cleaner, Intelligent Household Cleaning Machine, Fully Automatic Mopping Machine, Quiet Self-Charging Room Vacuum Cleaner. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose ZZKHGo Vacuum Robot Cleaner. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Inch Ultra Low Profile. The white electric vacuum robot features a 2.7-inch thin low profile that vacuums through any dining room or kitchen floors and is small enough to fit under the furniture, couch or bed in your house. Rotating brushes. The robotic floor cleaner has two auto side sweeper brushes that extend the reach of the vacuum and rotate to catch indoor dirt and debris in rooms, corners and on tiles or hardwood floor. Sweeping damp mopping all-in-one maintain gleaming hard floors. New powerful motor with max mode and pet hair technology picks up furs, debris, dust and dirty easily and efficiently. Suction and vacuum suction port equipped with 2000 PA strong suction. The robot vacuum cleaner can easily suck up breadcrumbs and confetti dust. Designed with two side brushes, this robot vacuum cleaner can help you clean thoroughly and avoid clogging and hair tangles. Battery life. This automatic vacuum cleaner robot has a high-capacity battery of 1500 mAh and a charging base. It could continuously work for 80 minutes to meet the cleaning needs from the living room to the bedroom. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends, important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.